Hi students, today let us discuss regarding the active filters. Butterworth band pass filter. This is the combination of both low pass filter section and the high pass filter section. So if you combine two sections of the filters, both low pass filter section and the high pass filter section, then you say it is a band pass filter. Between the lower cutoff frequency and higher cutoff frequency, it will allow all the frequencies. That's why it is considered to be the band pass filter. Now I will design Butterworth band pass filter for the first order. For this I have taken FL equal to 200 Hz and FH equal to 1 kHz. For the corresponding pass band gain of 4. So in between 200 Hz to 1 kHz, for the lower cutoff frequency I am selecting it as 200 Hz and the higher cutoff frequency as 1 kHz, and for the pass band gain of 4 I want to design the Butterworth band pass filter. So for this purpose I have selected the low pass filter section and the high pass filter section. I need to select both of them because it is a combination of both high pass section. First it is consisting of high pass section and after that you are having a low pass section. So for a low pass filter, if I select first this one, for a low pass filter, what are the values we have taken, we will see. So let us assume FH equal to higher cutoff frequency equal to 1 kHz, and after that we need to calculate the value of the capacitance. The capacitance value, here I am selecting it as, for a low pass filter, for this one the capacitance value I have selected as C dash equal to 0.01 microfarad. We know that it may be selected in between the 0.001 microfarad to 0.1 microfarad. For this design I have taken it as, I have assumed it as 0.01 microfarad, and after that we need to calculate the value of the R dash. So this R dash can be calculated by using the formula 1 by 2 pi into FH into C, so which is equal to 1 by 2 pi, the value of FH is 1 kHz, 1 10 cube into C, C value is 0.01 into 10 power minus 6. So if we calculate this one, 2 into pi into 0.01 is equal to inverse, so which will become 15.9 into 10 cube, so which will become 15.9 kilo ohm. This is for the low pass filter section. Similarly for high pass filter section, for high pass filter I need to select the value of FL, lower cutoff frequency. This is for high pass filter section. Now I am calculating the designing part for the high pass filter section. So for this high pass filter section I am selecting the FL value as 200 Hz. This is 200 Hz, and assume the C value as 0.05 microfarad. Here also we can take in between the 0.001 to 0.1 microfarad. I have selected it as 0.05 microfarad. Now calculate the value of R by using the formula 1 by 2 pi into FL into C, so which is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi, FL value is 200 Hz into C is 0.05 microfarad, 10 power minus 6. So if we calculate this one, so 2 into pi into 200 into 0.05, which is equal to some value, make inverse for this one, so which is equal to 0.0159 we got into 10 cube, so which will become 15.9 kilo ohm. So this is for high pass filter section. Since the pass band gain is 4, we have selected as 4, so at each section we require gain of 2. For this section we require a passband gain of 2, and for this section we require a passband gain of 2, so that we will get the total gain of 4. In order to achieve that one, we know that for a non-inverting amplifier 1 plus Rf by R1 equal to, so for this section it will be 2, and similarly for this section also it will become 1 plus Rf dash by R1 dash equal to 2. So here 1 plus Rf by R1 equal to 2 means, what is the value? Rf by R1 equal to 1. So that implies Rf equal to R1. Here also Rf dash equal to R1 dash equal to 1. Sorry, Rf dash equal to R1 dash. So for this purpose I have taken equal values. Say I am selecting it as 10 kilo ohm. Here also I am selecting it as 10 kilo ohm. So generally this value will be selected below 100 kilo ohm. So for this design I am selecting it as 10 kilo ohm. So for this section also, that is low pass filter section also, I am selecting it as 10 kilo ohm. That is Rf dash equal to R1 dash equal to Rf equal to R1 equal to 10 kilo. So the voltage gain magnitude of the band pass filter is equal to the product of the gain magnitude of the high pass filter section and low pass filter section. So it can be written as V0 divided by Vin for the total band pass filter is equal to the product of V0 by Vin for the high pass filter section and the V0 by Vin, that is gain magnitude for the low pass filter section. So we know the gain magnitude for the high pass filter section is, that is V0 divided by Vin for the high pass filter section, which is equal to AF into F divided by FL whole divided by 1 plus F by FL whole square. And in case of low pass filter it will be V0 by Vin low pass filter equal to AF divided by square root of 1 plus F by FH whole square. Now the value of V0 divided by Vin for the band pass filter is the product of the V0 by Vin, that is gain magnitude for the high pass filter, and V0 divided by Vin for the low pass filter section. Okay, so now I will multiply both of them, then we got it as the gain magnitude of band pass filter is equal to, that is V0 divided by Vin for the band pass filter is equal to AFT, that is gain of the particular band pass filter, total band pass filter, into F by FL divided by square root of 1 plus F by FL whole square into this value, square root of 1 plus F by FH whole square. This is the gain magnitude for the band pass filter. Okay, and where AFT, this AFT represents the total pass band gain, which is equal to the 4. We have selected it as 4, total pass band gain, which is equal to 4. AFT value we have taken it as 4, that is 2 for the high pass filter section and 2 for the low pass filter section, so total of 4. So AFT is 4, and the value of F is the frequency of the input signal, which represents the frequency of the input signal, and FL is the lower cutoff frequency. FL is the lower cutoff frequency that we have taken as 200 Hz, and FH is the higher cutoff frequency. We have selected it as 1 kHz. FH is 1 kHz. This is FL is 200 Hz. Okay, and observe the response from the F equal to 10 Hz to 10 kHz. 10 Hz to 10 kilohertz. If you observe the values, then for a 10 hertz it will be minus 13.99. So when it becomes 447.2, it will become 10.46. How it got, we will see. So for a wide band pass filter, this is considered to be the wide band pass filter. For this wide band pass filter, the center frequency fc can be calculated by the formula fc equal to fh into fl. So we know that the value of fh is 1000 Hz, that is 1 kilohertz, and the value of fl is 200 Hz. So the particular value is, we got it as 1000 into 200, 1000 into 200, and the square root for that one, we got it as 447.2. So that is 447.2 Hz. 447.2 Hz. Now I will calculate the value of the quality factor. I will calculate the value of the quality factor, and there is a relation in between the quality factor Q. There is a relation between the quality factor Q, 3 dB bandwidth, and the cutoff frequency Fc as given by Q equal to Fc divided by bandwidth. So Fc value, we know that, what is the value of Fc? That is 447.2 Hz, and the corresponding bandwidth is 1 kilohertz minus 200 Hz. So which is equal to 447.2 divided by 800. That means it will be 447.2 divided by 800. So which is equal to 0.559, or approximately it will be 0.56. So it will be 0.56. Here the value of quality factor we obtained as 0.56, which is less than 10. So if it is less than 10, the quality factor is less than 10, then we can say it is a wide band pass filter. Wide band pass filter. If the value of Q is greater than 10, then we can say it is a narrow band pass filter. So depending upon the quality factor, we can say it is a wide band pass filter or a narrow band pass filter. Okay, here if you observe the graph, in this graph at exactly 447.2, you got it as 10.46. The magnitude value in dB is 10.46. okay, at this value, at Fc equal 447, okay, we got it as 10.46. So this will be the maximum value for the band pass filter, and below that value, if you see, that is in between the 10 Hz to 447 Hz, that is 447.2 Hz, the gain starts increasing, and after that the gain starts decreasing. Okay, this is for the response for the band pass filter for the first order. Thank you.